Hey guys, so yep, supposedly was not inclined to do a video today because I have a lot of things to do. I went to sleep late this morning, like I don't know what time was that, 9 a.m., 10 a.m. So yep, just so messed up. But either way, yeah, today's like what today? The 19th of October, and early this morning I was just online and just working on my stuff, and I found out that Apple has released Apple M1 Pro and Max, and like, damn, Apple's like shit. Yeah, that's what I can say. But anyway, yeah, I just check on the video, and yeah, their release thing is, yeah, Apple's really good. Like they had the HDMI and the what you call this the card reader back, so that's awesome. So I'm looking at it. Apple's like, man, for video editors, like stripping it. It's pretty expensive though, but come to think about it, it almost is the same price as my 2017 full spec Mac, which is rubbish right now, and the new one's like really good. But the good thing is, I already got myself a Mac Mini M1 and also a Mac Air M1, and I'm really happy with my Mac Air M1. So I won't be thinking of upgrading because I do only photos, and that's all I need. Like photos don't need a lot of power unlike videos. I do videos, but just for personal stuff like what we're doing right now, and it's just nonsense. It's just like one line video, not a lot of editing and everything else. So yeah, no need to stress for the power because the M1 has the power already. It's good for me. I'm so relieved right now. Thing is, uh, also, Sony's going to be releasing something this coming Friday, a new camera. I'm thinking it's the A7R, I mean A7 IV or A7 Mark IV. Pretty much skeptical, and I'm pretty much scared because yeah, the only thing that would make me get the A7 IV is that if it has 10-bit video, so that's gonna solve my video and photo problems. And if it's gonna have 4K 60, so 4K 60, 10-bit video, it says 33 megapixels, so that's just a bonus. But yeah, if it gives me that, I love it. I'm set to buy an A9 from a friend. The thing is, the A9 is an old camera, but the thing is, I like that it has no blackout. It has silent mode, silent shooting, and yeah, its processor is really fast. I'm thinking the new A7R4 is not the same. Doesn't have the same processor wherein you can shoot silent. So I'm a photographer, and if I can shoot silent mode, that's a big plus for me. If the camera is able to do what you call this no blackouts in photos, that'll be good. At the same time, if the camera has added 10-bit, that's really good because I can use it for vlogging and everything else, like videos. That's why I was looking into getting the A1, but the A1's like, man, it's so expensive. I don't know. I want to get it, but it's still far in the future. But yeah. So yeah, these days there's a lot of announcements. I think DJI has an announcement also in the next few days. Like, man, this is it's a lot of yeah, it's a lot of. And yeah, the good thing is here in Melbourne we're opening this coming Friday. So in the next few weeks we can shoot weddings already. I can earn money and get some more gears and have fun. But either way, as of now, I need to like stress with my schoolwork because I'm really fucked up. That's it for now. I don't know. Just excited the new things happening, but I don't have money, so like I'm glad that I'm not needing to get an Apple computer anytime soon because I don't have money in it. I might not be able to take it if I will be stressing on it. I just hit something and I just no. Anyway, you take care, guys, and yeah, see you when I see you.